Yes, student, next content is polar covalent bond or molecule, or simply the concept of polarity. Student, for the better study of any of the science subject, you require continuity and sincerity. Getting continuity in the sense what? You have to go one by one each and every content. If you will miss any of the content, then the incoming content will be not 100% clear for you. For the better understanding, you must have to go through the particular sequence of contents. Okay, like here, some knowledge we have already gained about the polar covalent bond. So if you have watched that video, then it will be simple for you. Again, if you will watch this video, then the next incoming class, the next content will become easier. But if you will miss it, then the science will become very difficult for you. Therefore, you must have to watch each and every video. You have to prepare your own notes with the help of videos. That is what? Lecture. Are you getting? And you have to add some more knowledge from your NCERT book. Student, polar covalent bond. If the bond formed between, if the covalent bond is formed between same atoms, like H and H, isn't it? Or Cl and Cl. Now what? There is a nucleus and the electrons are shared between the nucleus. Electron is negatively charged, nucleus is positively charged. Therefore, if the two shared atoms are of same nature, then the electron will be equally attracted by both the atoms individually. That is what? That is, the shared pair of electron will exactly lies between the center of two atoms. Similarly, in case of Cl, two atoms are same, therefore the negatively charged electron will be equally attracted by two Cl atoms. Such type of molecules are called non-polar molecule. That is, there is no polarity. There is no polarity. This is called simple covalent molecule. Okay, but if covalent bond is formed between atoms of two different elements, then their nuclear attraction force, what we are calling it? We are calling it electronegativity strength. Electronegativity strength will be different. Okay. Hence, shared pair of electron will be slightly shifted towards an atom with or which have higher electronegativity. Like here, example, if one of the atom is H and one of the atom is Cl. Now one electron each is shared between the H and Cl, but attraction force of Cl is for 17 proton, but here the attraction force is only 1 proton. That means which positive charge, that is which nucleus will more attract this shared pair of electron? Obviously it will be more attracted by Cl. And now due to more attraction, the HCl molecule can be written as H, and this is what? Cl. And now if this is a direction of shifting of lone pair or bond pair, then we will write in this way. The bond pair is shifted slightly towards Cl, therefore Cl will acquire negative charge, but being it is partially shifting, therefore the sign of partial del. Similarly, the bond pair shifted from the H, being it is shifted, that is released, therefore it is positive, but not completely given to Cl, therefore it is the sign of partial. So this is called partial positive and partial negative charge. That is what? That is in HCl molecule. In HCl molecule, there are two type of charges. Which two type of charges? Say fraction positive and fraction negative. This is called di, that is 2. Okay, and charges means pole. This is called dipolar molecule, and concept is known as what? Polarity. So this concept is termed as polarity. Are you getting? That means what? That means now here, as greater the differences between the electronegativity, more will be the partial shifting of electron. Student, this concept we have already discussed in the content what? Electronegativity. Only we are giving it the different terminology like polarity or dipole molecule. Okay, or simply such molecule are called polar covalent molecule, and the bond is known as polar covalent bond. Polar, that is having two type of nature, fraction positive and fraction negative, that is called 2. And poles means charge, that is opposite charges. So dipolar molecule. Getting? Now partial ionic character develops in polar covalent molecule. Now, how the partial ionic character develop? You know that ionic compound are those which consist negative and positive charge. So there is also negative and positive charge, but these negative and positive charge are not 100% pure negative or 100% pure positive, but it is partial sign is there. Therefore what we are saying, actually the molecule is covalent, but there is what? Partial ionic character. Means what? Fraction positive and fraction negative charge. So how to find partial ionic character. Student, it is given by Henry-Smith formula. What is this Henry-Smith formula? It is what? Partial ionic character is equal to 1.6 is equal to 16 into XA minus 6 XB in bracket plus 3.5 in bracket XA minus Xb, and it is its square. Okay. Xa is what? Less electronegative. Less electronegative atom. Xb is equal to more electronegative atom. Now if we place the value, we can get the partial ionic character. Like question, find, okay, partial ionic character in HF molecule. In HF molecule, given Xa is equal to 2.0 and Xb is equal to 4.0. If this value is given, getting? So simply what? Partial, okay, ionic character in HF is equal to, now place the value 16 in bracket 4 minus 2, okay, plus 3.5 in bracket again 4 minus 2, but it's what? Square. Okay, is equal to, now 16 into 2 plus 3.5 into 2 square means what? 4 is equal to 32 plus 14 is equal to 46%. This becomes the partial ionic character. That means what? That means, student, due to polarity, although HF molecule is covalent molecule, but becomes little or partial ionic character. Are you getting? This is called polar covalent molecule. That is development of partial ionic character in a covalent molecule.